welcome to EagerLED Shenzhen factory. So today I will take you inside to our agent testing workshop, a key stages where we meet the quality strict standard before shipment. As you can see, a lot of assembled LED modules are undergoing rigorous agent tests. Each one plays video contact non-stop for 48 hours where we closely monitor its performance. We are checking for issues like dyed pixel, short circuits, or abnormal lines, often called center pillars defects, and our team acts immediately if any problem is found. Take these models, for example, EA500H9 model is been running here for 24 hours already. So you can see that the full time status and full test history document on this record sheet. Everything from start time to performance notice charted to ensure full traceability. This is just one part of how we guarantee reliability in every LED module we ship. For example, there's waterproof test area. If you are curious about the learn about LED modules test or other production process, you can just leave a message in the comments and let me know. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.